Well, there you have it. 4 8/2 discs for 100 megahertz. I changed the drive, took out the generic drive and put in the creative to make the set, since the sound card is here. This card doesn't have PCI, so I thought it would be more interesting to keep the drive in the same computer as the sound card. I bought this joystick. As you can see, an ergonomic joystick that talks, right? It even looks like an Xbox controller, the shape. I bought 2 of these joysticks and another model that I'll show you in a moment. Then I'll call. He has another gaming port that I can't remember the address of, but I'm going to plug it in. And it's already lit up here. As you can see, I'm going to start testing the jazz game, Jackrabbit, which is the little game I used to use a joystick for. There's also Street Fighter. So there you go. I'll show you how I set up. Setup, options, joystick, and here I do. Synchronize it, then it has to stop in the middle. Everything is working, that's it. Working. Let's see if all the buttons work properly. It's a device that's supposed to be old stock, so we can expect it not to work 100%. So I'll hope it's working properly. Otherwise, I'll have to open it up and repair it. So let's get started. The shot. I think it's working, but it's a bit stiff. You have to squeeze hard. Here the jump. This is the button. See? I'm having to press very hard. And the shot, until the shot here. It's actually to change ammunition. This one's working fine. The others have no function in this game. But I have to press, you see? I have to press very hard. So that's what I was afraid of. The analog control is working fine, but the buttons, see? Look how hard I'm pressing, it doesn't work. To work, you have to press really hard. So what am I going to do? I'm going to open this joystick, I'm going to ignore it, guarantee it, I'm going to open it, and I'm going... Only with paper, I won't use any sandpaper. Why am I going to write on a piece of paper? Because there's a little rubber in here with a magnetic part that makes contact. I've cleaned many video game controllers. Super Nintendo and Mega Drive, which had this thing that gave off moisture. And it ended up damaging the contact. So I'm going to clean it, and let's see what happens, shall we? So let's go to the bench. Well guys, I'm going to turn the controller back on. Note that it's off, so I'm going to put it behind the computer. I don't know if it will recognize the controller again, even though it's the same one. So what am I going to do? I'm going to leave. I'll get out of it. Note that it's on. I'm going to set it up again, and we'll see if it accepts it. It didn't detect it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to exit the game. Exit the game. Let me check back there that it's connected correctly. Okay, it's pressed in. Then, let's start again, resetting the computer. Starting MS-DOS. The computer is ready. CD, jazz. It's strange that it's on, but it's not detecting it. Let's see if it will detect it now. Detector. Well, that's not so bad. So there. Then we make this adjustment. Then we have to stop in the middle. It stopped in the middle. Now let's see, it's working. Now let's see the buttons. I feel a bit strange here. Maybe I'm a bit loose. Yeah, the shooting button, the shot button feels better. Oh, it feels smooth. The jump is better too. The shot, of course, there won't be any ammunition here, but it's working. Running. Here's where I'm finding it strange. It could be normal. Here I change it, it's working. Notes that I change, I shoot. I jump, it's fine. It was cool, so now I just need to see if this analogic, if I'll really need to open it or if it's just like that. It's a bit hard, maybe that's how it is. Working.
Bye.
That's it, it was worth it. It was worth doing. Cleaning the contacts. It's working, just like it's supposed to. That's nice. Yeah, the control here is a bit strange, but it could be normal. I'm finding it a bit sticky. But it's working. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll make more videos later, including with this joystick. So, Godspeed, and see you next time.